What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the party joinability in Fortnite. When you're in the game, click your profile icon at the top right corner and then the gear icon below. Next, click on Settings. Click on the account and privacy logo above. In the account and privacy section, scroll down to social privacy. Then look for the party joinability. Now click on the arrow button beside it to adjust it to friends or invite only. If you set it to friends, players on your friends list of party members will be able to join your party at any time. But if you set it to invite only, you or someone in the party have to invite players, then accept the request in order for them to join your party, and that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.